Fullmetal Alchemist, Science Guide.
Ever wondered if you could turn lead into gold or rebuild a broken body with just a clap of your hands? In the world of Fullmetal Alchemist, it's not magic, it's science with a hidden price. But what if that price is your very soul? Let's dive into the real physics and chemistry behind Amestries. Meet Edward and Alphonse Elric, two brothers on a quest across Amestries to restore their bodies after a disastrous attempt at human transmutation. Their journey isn't fueled by spells, it's grounded in science, where every miracle demands a steep toll. At its core, alchemy is the science of matter. First, comprehend its structure, then deconstruct it into pieces, and finally reconstruct it into something new. Think of it as the ancient precursor to chemistry. The golden rule? The law of equivalent exchange. To gain something, you must lose something of equal value. It's like the first law of thermodynamics in our world. Energy can't be created or destroyed, only transformed from light to heat to sound, always balancing the scales. Echoing the law of conservation of mass, mass in equals mass out. Atoms rearrange but never vanish, burn wood, and the smoke plus ash weigh the same as the log. Alchemists lug raw materials because you can't cheat nature, no creating matter from thin air. Standard chemistry can rearrange atoms, change shape, state, or structure. But turning lead into gold means altering atomic nuclei. That's nuclear physics. Chemistry rearranges furniture. Nuclear physics rebuilds the house. Transmutation circles act like circuits, their geometry mapping energy flow from the earth itself. Just as a wire directs electricity, the circle channels tectonic power through precise paths. Without it, that energy wanders aimlessly, achieving nothing. The Philosopher's Stone, in Fullmetal Alchemist, it's like an infinite battery, supplying external power to skirt equivalent exchange, unleashing massive transformations without the usual cost. What makes a human? Materially, it's simple: water, carbon, ammonia, lime, phosphorus, salt, and more. You could buy it all cheaply at a market, but the soul, that's the priceless spark that makes us truly alive. Human transmutation is the ultimate taboo. The rebound hits hard because no pile of elements equals a soul's infinite value. The universe demands balance, often taking the alchemist's own body. Automale, those mechanical limbs, mirror today's bionics, using myoelectric sensors to catch muscle signals, neuroplasticity for the brain to adapt, and osseointegration to fuse metal with bone. What was fantasy is edging into medical reality, one breakthrough at a time. Chimeras blend species, like organisms with mixed cell lines. In real science, we edit genes in animals to fight diseases. But ethics draw the line. Just because we could splice creatures doesn't mean we should. The should we? Question looms large. Amestries reflects the real industrial revolution. Steam power, steel, coal chemistry. It's an era when science began replacing mysticism. Progress moved fast, and responsibility struggled to keep up. State alchemists are weapons, echoing real-world dual-use research. Knowledge can heal or destroy. The story asks the hardest question science ever faces: just because we can, should we? In the end, Fullmetal Alchemist teaches this. The world isn't perfect, but it's trying. Science without empathy becomes cruelty. Knowledge without humility becomes loss. And humanity, not perfection, is the only thing worth protecting.
Hi, thanks for watching. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Bye.